Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the microscopic and learning how scientists measure things that are too small to see with the naked eye. This amazing technique is called micrometry. So, what exactly is micrometry? Simply put, it's the process of measuring the size of objects under a microscope. It's like having a tiny microscopic ruler. But how does it work? Well, it involves two special tools. The first one is called an OcularMicrometer. Imagine a small circular piece of glass that fits right inside the eyepiece of your microscope, the part you look through. This glass disc has a scale etched onto it, usually with 100 perfectly equal divisions. Now, here's the tricky part. These divisions don't have any real value on their own. They're just evenly spaced lines. Think of it as a ruler with no numbers, just marks. So, how do we give these marks a value? That's where our second tool comes in, the StageMicrometer. This isn't just any microscope slide. It's a special glass slide with a super precise miniature ruler etched onto it. This ruler has known absolute measurements, usually in micrometers. It's like our reference, our gold standard. The next step is calibration. This is where the magic happens. We place the StageMicrometer on the microscope stage, just like a regular slide, and bring it into focus. When you look through the eyepiece, you'll see two scales at once. You'll see the scale from the OcularMicrometer in your eyepiece, and you'll see it superimposed or layered over the scale of the StageMicrometer. Now, we carefully align these two scales by comparing the unknown divisions on our ocular micrometer to the known divisions on our StageMicrometer. We can figure out exactly what each division on our eyepiece scale is worth at that specific magnification. For example, you might find that 10 divisions on your ocular micrometer line up perfectly with a 100 micrometer length on the StageMicrometer. Simple math tells you that each ocular division is equal to 10 micrometers. Once your ocular micrometer is calibrated, you can remove the StageMicrometer and replace it with your actual specimen, maybe a single cell or a tiny crystal. Now, when you look at your specimen, you can use the calibrated scale in your eyepiece to measure it directly. If a cell spans 5 divisions on your ocular micrometer, and you know each division is 10 micrometers, then you know your cell is 50 micrometers long. It's a brilliant and essential technique for anyone working in biology, geology, or materials science. And that's how micrometry works. It allows us to accurately measure the invisible world all around us. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more science content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.